Hey everyone, facing issues with YouTube on your TV stuck on a picture? You're in the right place. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube on TV that is stuck on a picture with some simple solutions to get your streaming back to normal. These steps will have you back in action in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first step to fixing YouTube on TV when it's stuck on a picture is to ensure a stable internet connection. Often streaming issues are caused by weak or interrupted Wi-Fi signals. Here's what you can do. Verify that your TV is connected to the right Wi-Fi network. Restart your router by unplugging it, waiting about 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. Use a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable internet connection if possible. Test your internet speed by running a speed test through your TV or another device. Ensure that you have the recommended speed for streaming. Step 2. Reset the YouTube app. If your internet connection is strong and YouTube is still stuck, resetting the app might solve the issue. Here's how to do it. Exit the YouTube app and return to your TV's home screen. Navigate to the app settings and select the YouTube app. Choose the option to force stop or quit the app. This will clear any temporary glitches. Restart the YouTube app and see if the issue persists. Step 3. Power cycle your television. Sometimes a simple power cycle can solve the problem when YouTube on TV is stuck on a picture. Here's what you should do. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the outlet. Wait about 60 seconds to ensure that the TV resets fully. Plug the TV back in and power it on. Open the YouTube app again to check if the problem is resolved. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Clearing cache and cookies can help fix various application issues, including YouTube. Here's a quick guide on how to do this. Go to the settings menu on your TV. Find and select the apps or storage option. Locate the YouTube app from the list, select clear cache and clear data/cookies for the YouTube app. Reopen YouTube to see if the issue is fixed. Step 5. Update TV firmware and YouTube app. Outdated firmware and apps can cause glitches. Make sure everything is up to date. Visit the settings menu on your TV and find the system update or software update section. If updates are available, download and install them. Check the App Store on your TV for updates for the YouTube app. Install any available updates and restart the YouTube app. Step 6. Reinstall the YouTube app. If none of the above methods work, reinstalling the app can be a good solution. Here's how to do it. Go to the app settings on your TV and locate the YouTube app. Select the option to uninstall the app or delete the app. Visit the TV's App Store and reinstall the YouTube app. Open YouTube and log in to check if the issue is resolved. You've now learned several effective methods on how to fix YouTube on TV that is stuck on a picture. From checking your internet connection to resetting, updating, or reinstalling the app, these steps should help you resolve this problem. Remember, keeping your devices up to date and troubleshooting them with simple restarts and resets often make a huge difference.